come back no matter how you cut off your dead flesh them. Me not like you, dog. I send me a request, pussy. But me, I go try look hype off of this morning. It not gonna work. You know, see people them tired of your dirty stinking mouth. People them tired of you, man. I want two people like you little dirtiness on the app do still support you. And they not support you for you either. Just like how they not support me for me. They not support you for you. I Brit make them support you. Nobody not like you in a real life. Me I tell you. The only reason they support you for for Brit. Otherwise, nobody not like you.
How are you, Vanny?
Me I tell you. I swear, if I lie, me I tell chat, tell me I lie, me I tell. If I lie, me I tell chat, tell me I lie, me I tell. Nobody not like that youth there for himself, bro. Nobody like him cause I break
that. You do your nails, yeah, come on, girl. Yeah, go be my next nail tech.
Someone want to understand me there, bro. I would have never accept a request with him because he fall a full 100 forward here. So now you don't want me accept request for you for your depend. Who dirty dog bed, bro, God, yes, you youth, nobody not like your youth. Anytime. Nobody, bro, you're disgusting.
Make I do my nails.
You're disgusting, brother. Nobody not like you. People sick of the cussing and going in. You know me, I come take down this somebody. I see Putux take him blood clot down off a TikTok with you. Me see Frostbox take him down completely and get him match that day there, bro. You get me, I say, my friend? Two ugly men go at it. And the ugliest man win. You get me?
Putux not ugly.
That's all this other youth that talk this to you. So.
You know ugly as well.
But bro, me not like that youth there named Zozo, bro. And Brit feel left him. Brit feel left him now. And Brit not look happy. Brit not look happy. No matter how much hotel he bring Brit go, Brit not look happy. Brit tired of him. All Brit tired of him to bumbuckler. When he get a little wave off a Brit, the man not come off a TikTok, he not take a day break. The man not take a day break for say, yo, spend a little time with Brit. Brit just come from hospital, bro. The man dey on the live all pan Brit birthday, man a cuss much bad word and a disrespect the gift as them. The people them tired of you youth. Ease off a little hap little bit and ease off a little dirty style and give Brit our page, brother, and make Brit go home, go enjoy us. Brit tired of you to dog. This morning me a watch it live. Brit the one side and him the other door a cuss. Today a Sunday. And everybody him come on the live with him and tell them go suck them mother, go suck this, go suck that, rare, and a Sunday, bro. You see me I say? Every freaking content creator and go play with. In disrespect them. Brit sit down around outside the pan for your little page. Brit disgusted by the man, bro. I told Brit can do better. You see me? Brit disgusted by the man, brother. Disgusted by him, bro. Like Brit I come back to herself now and I say, yo, what this? I put myself in with this dirty dog shit. Yes, he helped me. And people are going to say she ungrateful and rare, but Brit tired of him too, bro. Like how the rest of TikTok tired of him, man. You get a little fame now, man. Come down now, man. Take down yourself peacefully, man. Just say, yo, I am down peacefully. Big man thing, bro. Everybody tired of your dog. You now get the chance to disrespect me. If you sit down on the other side and disrespect me, you can't come right yourself in a match with me and get to disrespect me, bro. You know what I mean? And it's going to be rich coming from me because I'm a real bumbuckler youth. I mean, I come on as a con disrespect nobody for no reason at all. See my woman there? See me youth there? No, me the signal will come in. See my woman there? See me youth there? Them alone me cuss for. That them man they cuss everybody for no reason at all. Anybody. Anybody and anybody for no reason at all. It's annoying now, bro. You pick up blame them style and feel say it go trend favor. It not go trend favor, brother. Left that to blame them. I'll blame them, put it down. Nah, work out. You make what you have to make a fight. Try be positive now. Try be positive now and change it. And I freeze me internet I freeze now. Go over something. You know the breeze up, bro. But no jokes, man. Me nah go follow him up and rare, bro. But you get enough of a cussing and rare now. And bro, you're ugly as fuck, dog. You look like a latrine toilet, my friend. No one nail up good, dog. You're ugly as fuck, bro. Me not like you, dog. Me rate you for what you do for Brit, dog. And in a sense, too, I fuck up Brit thing, too. Bro, me tired of your dog. Change up your little folly grounds now, my friend, man. Every day you go get up and cuss pan you. You get me, I say, bro? Everybody love Brit. You see me? But people them stop support you because they say Brit not comfortable, dog. I'm not busy about if him a thief or me. I talk about him style, brother. Him style. Him style, bro. In demeanor, bro. You see me? How him go about stuff, dog. Him style. He not ready. You see me? I say, bro, him style not ready. It a work for him in a phone sense. If I that on a like, bro. If I that on a like, a random man go on somebody life where you don't know if I know you don't know the person like that. None at all. People we have millions of followers. 813. Yeah, man. Change up your style now, man. Don't send me no match, man. Me ain't no quabs, man. Me ain't the same thing, brother. You see me? I say? Me ain't no quabs. Me ain't the same thing. Me just have to talk about it because I can't believe you're brave enough to send me a match. You catch your prey. Not do that again, brother. Me ain't no quabs, dog. Yeah, man, the only thing I can go say, Nicki Minaj don't know me. Bro, yeah, that I lace, man. You see me, I say? But, dog, your style not ready, bro. No time. You not ready. That work for you because of people. In my sense, me don't know how people like that. Or how they sit down on their phone and watch and support that in a sense they are like disrespecting people and all constantly for no reason at all. If I that don't like and I'm not a nowadays society, fuck it, that a phone thing, bro. A phone way of life that, bro, but now come around me with that, my friend. Now come around me with that, dog. I sit down all upon Brit live and I hear the dog and I disgusted the fuck. I disgusted the fuck. I see everybody over there laugh. Like the dog up on a live with all a Rasta brother. The dog there showing people them say my workout and thing and rare. I shovel man Goffe. Shovel man Goffe. Oh Rasta dirty boy. Dirty drunk rat take you down. The fuck? The man don't know ya. The man don't know ya, brother. The man don't know ya. He go for one next white boy life. Oh, dirty dog bed, so good, dirty body man, Ray. You man don't know ya. The people when you try to, they don't know ya. They not even know who you be. When they research you, who is Zozo? Brit boyfriend. Like how they research me and say, who is Red Hands? Anna man. Calm down, man. Show a little respect for yourself, bro. How you feel for your cuss like 3, 4, 5 hours straight you cuss till your mouth soddy, dog. Bumba clan. Me rather beg till my mouth soddy, me nah cuss till my mouth soddy. Brother come on and beg till my mouth soddy, me nah go cuss till my mouth soddy, bro. No can't go have me on the levels there cuss no more on the media, bro. You're mad, bro. I look at myself and see some screen recording and see how man look like a big waist man, dog, like a big girl. Depend. Dog, lower your standard, man. Be a man. Start be a man, bro. Me learn so people can learn too. You're sick stomach, dog. I mean, I know how people support that. But then have to support me because of peace and positivity me I pray now, bro. If you come in and be disrespectful in the comment section, yes, I'm gonna be disrespectful, but that's automatically thing. I just, you see me, that does trigger thing. You this me this back. You see me, it's simple. But if you come here, sir, and me just come right here, so I see anybody at all on my life, anybody at all, boom, me send a match. Like, boom, me I go say right now, me I go send a match to a random person. Just a random person. And we see how we go about it. As somebody decent. We are going to see how we go about it. I will see if we get a match. I will see how we go about it. Because I don't know the person, you know. I go see how we go about it. I don't know them. I go try add somebody where overseas or whichever they want, they in a world or whatever. I go add somebody and see how we go. You see what I say? How you're supposed to respond to people. Because I don't understand. Yeah, man, have you. Kevin, I deal with. Hold on, I try find one match, man. I try find one match with somebody random, bro. Somebody random. And how the interaction on TikTok should be. Oh man, that's cool. See, the man internet a freeze. The man can't be respectful yet. Where me I go do? Me don't know him man now. Me don't know him now. What me fi do say? Big white batty boy. Red tete. A that on a like? A that on a like? Bro, fuck no man. Yeah, me not in trouble. How much time a batty boy they diss me on TikTok? Eh? How much time you diss me on TikTok? But me not diss him. You not understand me there? Me not diss him. I tell them say people sick in bumbuckler style. When you have, bro. You see me? People sick in style when you have. Stop disrespect every single content creator you go amongst. That is the only thing I do. Do something different, man. Do something different, man. And you're ugly no bumbuckler on top of it too. You're ugly. What you tell me, say, man? You're ugly as fuck. And then about you can't, not even pride can make your ugliness change. Can't make your ugliness change. You're ugly as fuck. Nothing. You're ugly as fuck in a real life. You're ugly like, bro, you're ugly as fuck. Not even can explain how ugly you be. You're ugly as fuck. And so you're ugly. And you start push this like a cussing thing on top of it. Jesus Christ. Mighty God, bro. I know nobody, man. Tell him to go cuss me now. Because that's all he can do. Tell him to go cuss me now. Dirty dog bed. Dirty jankro. Your box post bend up. Your shit and dash over people yard. Go your back rim bend up. Dirty dog bed. Dirty lower life. Sound like a broken record to blood clot. Sound like a broken record. Everybody a dog bed. Yawa. You're latching blood clot tile. Sick of you, man. Me dey on the app too, so me can't stay it no more. You not tired of me? You not tired of me too? No man, I'm not Jaden. I don't give a fuck about Jaden. Why you always take off them something, have you? Please. Oh my man, sickening, bro. Like, sickening, bro. Let me tell you where me have respect for him for. Wait. Whatever sense you not say, yeah, he went to in Brit. Went to for Brit. What Brit tired of him to? Tired of him, I fuck. Can't see it in a Brit, yeah, them. Man sickening panic, man. Sickening, man. I can't add him now and he cuss me for now till a morning, till he sod up, till he pressure roll up high. High. Father of Kings, what you did last night, you give up on me. You give up on me when we had a big lion last night. But you chat, me not talk about more about the dog. The dog does a 9. Me happy for him little support where I get and him little support system and them little thing there. So I say, yeah, glad for him. Everybody deserves support from the app, regardless who you are or whatever you want to be. Or, you get me? I say, but dog, come on, man, change up your style a little bit, man. Boom, a little bit, man. Boom, buckler. Change up a little bit, man. If you change up your style, you win your fuck. You see, in the last half when you never did a cuss on it, you da win. You see me? You could have taken number 1 40 times for a week. That's for sure you say people of negative. You get me? I say? But in a real life, bro. Company life and a cuss nobody and relax. Relax. Talk to some people, throw up some people in your box. Reason with them. But we here with some conscious reasoning. You see what I say? Yeah. Them ways there, bro. And just dog bed. Zozo. I never had nobody. Tell him say me and him can't go on a stream together like so. Never. Never. When you mix with dog, you know, you go get flea. So you know, mix up yourself with anybody, bro. You hold a little corner. You see me? And know yourself. That's the most thing. You have to know yourself. See, if you don't know yourself, you can never know, you're not going to reach nowhere in life. You see me? You have to know yourself, man. You see me? If you're going to make one thing happen to you 6, 7, 8 times, 10 times, no, bro. Means you're a waste man in a real life. You're going to take bumbo clot. Disrespect for invitation. No, bro. Yeah, mad. I'm a sick man. Come on, man. I don't do better than that, man. I don't go over there go laugh. What am I going to say? Dirty dog bed. And in jacket picnic. And this and that. Eh? What am I going to say? There's nothing to say about red dance. Because I don't know nothing about me. You see me, I say? I don't know nothing about me. That's right. I want to up on the internet and I can't talk. I don't know about me. I can't say nothing I feel away. But me I tell you as a man to man, it's sickening now. A girl alone cuss her dog. Every day of the week. A woman alone cuss her brother. I mean not even say woman a cuss like that anymore. Me I tell you the truth. I can't tell when last me scroll through the media and see a woman a cuss. Me can't tell when last me see a woman a cuss, brother. When last me see all unforgettable K them over there cuss. Me can't tell when last me see a woman a cuss, brother. The woman them dep on their life a vibe and a beg them kinds them and a push up. And I try some different things around there. To entertain the people them. How the fuck you entertain by a man where you cuss like a big pussy girl like you have on 3 jars? How you entertain by that? How are you guys entertained by that? Eh? How you entertained by that? I mean I get it. Eh? The dog have on 3 jars, the dog have all 1 jars pan in tongue. Look like when he start cussing shifty jars so in tongue does come out, you know? Yeah, bro. Me I tell you. The dog have all the jars pan in tongue, man. In shifty jars, you know, like how you dog go put a woman pan her little backers and you know fi ray. You just shifty jars. I saw the dog shifty and sitting on in mouth just start run, man. He's sickening, brother. And the dog even funny. That I think, you know. Dog not funny. The dog not funny. None at all. You never seen him run a joke yet. I say something sarcastic when people laugh. You not funny. The dog not funny. None at all. None at all. Come on, go walk your pan. You can't alright on about. Me don't talk, man. Me don't talk. How would my people? Me don't talk. Nah, I'm feeling funny. Alright. What I look for? Calm down, Baba. Nah, I'm feeling you know, so you're stressed, not sure. Yeah? Yes, sir. So you know, just get the code. So stop Cuss and walk in and walk up and now. The red hand step on the screen. Red hand step on the screen. Red hands. She dey run the child again. Or yes, if you soon see her, she make it Amazon wish list. See, and child of God I call you.
Hi, child of God. Right now, I'm trying to make one wish list. See, how cool.
She will text her on WhatsApp when she ready.
Oh, yeah.
Text her on WhatsApp when ready. Did the name originate from you? Which name? Casamar, which name? My name? My baby name? Chuk's name or Red Hands? Red Hands, if Red Hands originate from me?
No, the name Red Hands, there is no such thing as the Ants family.
What do you mean by there is no such thing as an Ants family? And we are the Ants family, there's a people in my bug.
My name is...
No, our mother did not cuss me one.